Don't miss this supreme opportunity to snag 4 units in 2 duplex buildings with a proven track record of vacation rental income. Each duplex is an exact replica of each other with mirrored units that boast updated open floor plans, fresh paint, and new flooring. Each unit is 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, spacious kitchen with tile floors, large bedrooms, washer and dryer hookup, and each unit has its own basement with tall ceilings for extra storage. There are private covered front porches and side decks to enjoy soothing sounds from the babbling creek at the back of the property. Live in one and rent out the others, or just rent them all. Either way, it's a win-win. Great Candler location, convenient to all things Asheville, makes this property super attractive. This turnkey investment is ready for you to take over. Call today.